my name is Jiajing Zhuang. It's my assignment 1 video. This assignment is aimed to build a system using Raspberry Pi to monitor environmental conditions, which are temperature and humidity. Firstly, let's look at the high-level architecture, which can make us better understanding this problem. In this system, the sense head, the server, the web interface are hosted and run on the Raspberry Pi. As you can see in this picture, the sense head collects temperature and humidity data from the environment and send to the Flask server. And the server processes this data and sends some message to the sense head and web interface. And the data are not always correct, and due to the problem limit, it may display warning message and some error message. And the web interface can send a request to the server. The user can use the system by the web interface. Then let me show you how to set up. Firstly, we should set up sense head and the sense head emulator. From the very beginning, we should update. The instruction is like this: get update. Done. Then we should install sense head. Yeah, I have already installed, so let's skip this. The next one is install the emulator. The instruction is this. Yeah. The next one, we should install the Flask. The Flask instruction is this. After this, let's turn to the project. First, we should open the project. Open the desktop and open this file. Yeah. We can run this file, this project. Before we run this, let's see the codes. This is monitoring system pattern file. It's in the backend. In this, it has two main functions. The first function is get temperature. It creates a Flask route to get temperature data and return a JSON response. It can also handle sensor read errors and connectivity issue. If the sense head or emulator is temporarily unavailable, it can respond with an error message and 500 status codes. Here, yeah. And check for impossible temperature values in here. It's the same as the get humidity function. In here, define the root to serve the HTML document. The HTML document is in the front end in the project. Uh, the main function is here. Yeah, this function update the temperature display on the web interface based on the data received from the server. And this function update the humidity display on the web interface based on the data received from the server. In the fat temperature data function, uh, the silent side error handling for file data fetch request, you can see here, is error loading data. The next part, execute a fetch temperature data and fetch humidity data when the page loads and set it to repeat every 5 seconds. Yeah, now let's turn to the terminal. Yeah, let's run this. Oh, we can see the emulator, and it also says running on this site. Let's open this site. As you can see in the site, here is at the moment you can see the temperature and humidity. Then let's test this system. The first condition is the temperature is over 40 degrees. You can see high temperature uh, in the emulator, and after a few seconds you can see it has been displayed on the site. The next situation is the humidity is over 90%. Uh, you can see here high humidity. You can see on the site is also display the warning message. And the next condition is here. You can see at this time the high temperature and the high humidity, and also display on the site dynamically. Another condition is the temperature is over 100 degrees. We know the problem is limit the temperature, so you can see on the side is error loading data. Yeah, it clearly shows the real-time data display and how running messages are targeted. That's all what I want to show in this video. Thank you for your listening.